How do you add a button in Squarespace? So Squarespace is sections that have blocks of content, and one of those blocks are buttons. So any section you have when you're in the Squarespace editor, you can add a block to. And when we click Add Block, you'll see one of the basic blocks is a button. So we click Button, and it will add that button right in here. Now from here, we can click that button to drag it around and place it in any of these different rows and columns that we have that help us keep elements lined up. So once we have that button placed, that button can be linked to any URL or even a file or a phone number or email. And you can also choose the button style. There's 3 different button styles you can have on your website, and that will dictate the color of the button and everything like that. You can also edit the button or make edits to it, some small edits. You can edit the text that's on the button. You can also edit the design of the button and whether it fits the space or fills the space. You'll see a difference just by clicking that and fitting to your block, if you will, or filling the block. And sometimes it'll squash it down, so pretty easy to just hit the undo button to get it back to where you had it before. But you can also grab these corners to scale your button up and down, and pin your button if you want to pin something to your page. You can also edit the button styles up in Site Styles. So we go to Site Styles, we can go to Buttons, and we can edit the different button packs or just customize the one that we currently have selected. So here's where you have your primary, secondary, and tertiary buttons that you can then edit if you want to change the colors and everything of your buttons. It's pretty easy to do that, easy to change the fonts and apply it to all the different button types. That is how you can add a button on Squarespace.